Bafethu, advantage to Orlando Pirates going into the second leg of the semi-finals of the MTN 8. Bafethu, we've got to applaud Orlando Pirates for getting something away from home, especially on this pitch. Bafethu, this pitch is unplayable. I mean, if it's Sikukune, a team that hosted on this pitch cannot use their home ground advantage because of the pitch, then Bafethu, what do you expect from the Orlando Pirates? Orlando Pirates did what they had to do. Into engathi ngiyakhala ngayo Orlando Pirates namhlanje is the creativity. There was not enough creativity in that midfield, right? So you shouldn't blame Uyanele Mputumo. You shouldn't blame Sebastian Pedersen because there was not enough creativity in that number 10 role. Tito Maswangai was dropped. Umvembi Masilela started the game for the Orlando Pirates. The boy is more of a project, Bafethu. He's not a guy that is going to hit the ground running in that 10 role for the Orlando Pirates. I love the boy, Bafethu. Ngilithandile ibhola lakhe, especially last season for Orlando Pirates in the DDC. But in the first team, Umfana wants the game to come to him. That is a disadvantage when you play for the first team Orlando Pirates. You've got to get something in the creativity, right? But for Isikukune, Bafethu, I mean, they were terrible. Terrible, Bafethu. I mean, I can't remember them testing Usipo chain like that. And they are the ones that said, we're going to take the game to the old Peter Mugaba Stadium because they expected something from it, right? And they couldn't use their home ground advantage. Because it's advantage Orlando Pirates. So Kukune need to come out and play in that game, which will favor Orlando Pirates because once you fully ground, just know bazokuthola bafowethu with that counter-attack football, right? So advantage to Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to them for getting an advantage kule ground. Bafowethu amanye ama-ground akudingeki ukuthi nidlale kuwo bafowethu. I mean, salute bafowethu.
Yabona bafethu, there's one thing about Orlando Pirates. One thing, they will just always find a way to win. They will always find a way to win a game, fethu. Whether badlale kahle, whether badlale kabi, whether ucoach ukhona, whether ucoach akekho, whether umdlalo othize akekho, whether umdlalo othize ukhona noma kuhambe bani kusale bani, they will always find a way to win a game, bro. There's always find a way to win a game, bro. Angazi kanjani fethu, yo, hayi. Fethu kulungile bafethu kodwa yeah, ayiqhubeke umdlalo omuhle. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Congratulations on the Pirates. Ndlale kahle. Whether niyaqhubeka second leg inambe kahle njengoba sesikodini. It's fine. It's okay. Sharp.
Bazoyithatha abafana. Bazoyithatha. And akulungile madoda. Kulungile madoda ayithatheni. Vele yini ithatheni. One thing about the Orlando Pirates is that even though the game is not nice, even though the game is a bit of a hard watch, but they will find the result. Zokushaya nje lezi ziphume zihambe emayiqedwe ukuthi zikushaye bebadlala kanjani akubalekanga. So Orlando Pirates ivulela induku kubulawa isikhukhune ibingekho enze njani isikhukhune bekufanele shawe abantu kumele bathathe into yabo futhi the midfield three ebidlala namhlanje kwe Pirates is completely new and you could tell ukuthi they are completely new. Masilela was a 10, Makobodi was a 8, Umtiane as a 6. It's a new midfield. We were not expecting Manga, from them. And they were a bit solid. Defensively, they were good. They were able to neutralize the threats. What Orlando Pirates did so well in the game was pressing Isikukune so hard that they were not having any time and space on the ball. The only option they had when they had the ball was to hoof it forward. And when they do that, Pirates regains possession and they start playing football again. Umhlongo, the striker, every time he got an opportunity, he would be isolated with Ulo Usbisi and Ulo Usiema in defense, and they were able to take care of him. Wingers a Pirates, they need to get used to feeding their striker and understand when Zagalan Gunetuba El Tolo Lungu, he could have rolled that ball to the right. Ulo Upiras in a Bishainet Usbelebele, there's a run he made instead of a cutter inside and he decided to shoot. Abiakonumbutumba or Peterson, I'm not sure between the two. He could have rolled the ball to him, strike a Shynet, you get me. But now, Ama wingers a Pirates and Ama wing backs a Pirates, they are also obsessed with scoring. Kanti, win striker, Abangwas really baller, Shynet. But second leg, Amarak Pelili Bafit, so is cooking as Shy Pirates, is Cotin. Come on. Yabona Ulungu might be the best signing Pirates has made so far. The boy is everywhere, contributing. Indlela bebalwisa ngayo Abu Kazim abomkhize lapha eswini. Nico Mobi even on the left because he was so mobile with the game, moving throughout the whole pitch. I mean, maqali game ebedlala kwa right, but he assist leka Dion Hoto uyenze agijima ngapha kwa left. Shout out to this guy, man. Shout out to this guy, man. It seems as if he has settled with Orlando Pirates. I mean, the guy has everything in him. He has the pace. You know, he has the work rates to track back and help in defense, and also he has a goal in him. You know, Mepeti Bola next to the 18th area, you think Ulungu will score, but today he didn't score, but he assisted Dion Hoto in scoring that goal. Great awareness by him, by realizing Hoto shy run let me give him a back heel and it's him a win. Shout out to Ulungu, man. It's going to be very, very interesting to see how Isisi Nake progresses under Orlando Pirates, but so far, so good.
My brother, I cannot keep talking about you all the time. When are you retiring? No, man, enough with you. Enough, man. Yeah. What are you even doing in that position to begin with? Why are you making a third man run, inverting run? Otto, where are you going? Man, I'm tired of Otto. Enough's enough. I'm tired. Every time you have hope, Nyana, and you try support another team, hate watch a team, here comes Otto to destroy everything all the time. And we're not Pedersen. My brother, hey, we're not you're bringing problems, yeah. Pella, that chance he got, the one he shot over the post. If there was Orlando Stadium at a carpet, I think was hitting top corner. Top corner. It's just that Peter Mugaba's bumpy, you know, old Peter Mugaba ground. It's not level. It's bumpy. So when he made connection, the ball bounced. Marai, man. I'm tired of Otto, straight. And I see you, Cardoso. Can I get Cardoso? At Tesla Moto, I see you. You're playing mind games. Because now all of a sudden, you guys did not start on your marks football first up. You didn't sit here on a team. You built up slowly into the match. You think we don't see your tactics? We see right through you. And it's Kukunin United, man. You're doing the I said. Win, lose, draw. You guys are doing that thing backwards now. You can do it backwards. You're probably going to lose. Hold on, yeah. I'm confusing myself here. Lose, win, draw. That's what you're going to do. Wednesday, you probably win. On the weekend, draw 1-1. Pirates go through aggregate because they've got an away goal. Yeah, Pirates are going to the final. Pirates are going to the MT8 final and there's nothing we can do about it. Nothing. We can't stop them. We can't do anything. Guys, where's Tito Maswanganye? I wonder where is he? Because it's not him going around. And Lungu, when are you also going to start being a problem? Lungu, me and you are not going to see eye to eye. You're going to start being a problem very, very soon. Hey. Pirates, well done for reaching MT8 final.
Hello, Sisi. Ngicela ukubuza ze-office ze-Orlando Pirates ezo. Good. Yes. Uthanda nothumela Tlong. Is-big person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president abalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. We are very excited. Orlando Pirates is doing extra large, extra mural, extravaganza, extra hot. Ngeke sizothi ngoku khanimise into leniyenzayo. Dithunywa ngabalandeli beOrlando Pirates ukuthi njengabalandeli beOrlando Pirates sithi thina kwiPirates stop it. Stop it, man. We like it. Yeah. Ngoku ngicela ubuza uba into i-away goal advantage le ngeke isincedise kwa-MTN thina singabalandeli mhlawumbe xa sithenga i-airtime okanye idatha. Usakhona uthopile. Shaba bana ngiyashaba.
hope uyaphila usolwazi igama. Orlando Pirates 1, Sekhukhune United nil in a semi-final year MTN 8's first leg, hosted by Sekhukhune at Peter Mokaba Stadium. When you have a big number of new players in a team, you rely on your experienced and senior or old players who have been with the team for a season or two to help you integrate the new team, which is abadlali ababasha sukunabo, right? You rely on players akadevele khona ku team to help you integrate them. And kuba easy rely on players. How do you rely on them to help you integrate them? You rely on them to show up, you rely on them to perform, you rely on them to, give you something kuma games so that lababanya abafikayo nabo they'll be able to show up and perform. And when Coach Abdesalam Owadu was saying, of the players that went to the World Cup, the only people that have showed up for him is Usipo Cheney, no CBC. That was him saying, I am calling on my players that were reliable to me last season to show up so that I'm able to integrate my players now. Again, was evidence of that he needs players to show up for new players to be able to be functional in the team and be well integrated. There was a lot that was not right, man. And it's not so much a game plan and approach, it's the personnel that formed of Leo approach. Started the game with a basic midfield, number 6 Mtiane, number 8 Mokobodi, number 10 Umasilela. Last season, Orlando Pirates had inkinga striker. This season, inkinga number 10. Unfortunately, inkinga IPL. Last season, they were inkinga strike. They went to Norway and got a striker who debuted namhlanje. And this season, Minangi number 10 with the departure of Rele Mufugeng. It's good, Utuma Selela is getting game time, but that number 10 role needs someone who is creative and someone with a sharp eye, an eye of an eagle, and someone that imposes himself on the game, that does not want the game to come to him. That's the problem with Duma Silela. He wants the game to come to him. He wants the chances to find him. That's not how you play. Number 10, you are the orchestra of the chances. You can't wait up front in a game that demands you to be involved as your number 10, because now you are making the 10 to be shot in the middle. And it was difficult for Orlando Pirates because that meant their source of a build-up their source of a build-up had to rely on the width, which was Uhoto. Uhoto was overworked in this game because Orlando Pirates couldn't penetrate the middle. There was no combination play in the middle of the park, and number 10 was far up there with Mbutuma. You can only see Umasilela when you see Mbutuma, so that's the problem. When you only see number 10, only when you see a striker, that's the problem, because now he's playing like a striker in a game that demands him to drop deep when he's needed to, in a game that demands him to play off the ball when he's needed to, in a game that demands him to impose himself. So Ngati Orlando Pirates played without a number 10. They also played without a box to box. They needed someone to drop and collect and to try and maneuver in the middle of the park in a game where Sekhukhune wanted to overload the middle and leave them with Iwit as the options. So Isosia built up here but ended up being fullbacks. Now the issue with that is that Apolis is not showing up. Apolis is number 10 because he wants to drift in, leaving Uhoto having to do so much work in the flank alone while Apolis drifts in. And on the right you have Ulungu, Nosibelebele, who were able to play together. We have also very difficult game. Mina bengengize introduce Pedersen la because Pirates lacked so much creativity in this game. But good decision to immediately sub Umasilela for Udansin, because what Udansin did, he brought in a bit more vertical movement in the middle of the park. What a baller. So it was difficult playing the first half because it meant Pirates is playing without a striker because he's not being supplied. There's no creativity. There's no chances created for him. They are playing without a box-to-box because there's no one dropping in, dropping deep to collect. And they're playing without a number 10. That meant that creates the chances up front. Yeah, it's going to be a long season. It's gonna be a long season. Let me know what you think.
You know what's crazy? Orlando Pirate fans are already defending this game. Yazi bathini manje? Bathi he came in as a sub, mnikeni ithuba. He came on as a sub and scored 2 goals. So ufuna ukuthini? Like Musanu defended Lamjit Defense is obviously a scam. Like I don't think this guy understands ukuthi wenzani la kwi-PSL. Ucathi lapha eNorway lade khona ibhakamasi, ipheka ama noodles, ewaiter lapha. Asiyenzi lento la. This is Betway Premiership. Asidali. This is Betway Premiership. Lento yakho uvutani wenza into esingayiboni background sokulanda thina sikubeke la. And futhi guys, come on. Guy nganiqambela manga mina. Have I ever lied to you? Nganje this guy. Like I was waiting for i-debut yakhe sengiyibonile. I've seen enough. Like inkomo lena, there's no football here. Zero football here. I told you guys. Ngicela bese nisho ukuthi ngasho because manje like bantu bethi ngiya hate, but I was being honest. There's no football here. Zero football, man. Like I can understand. I don't know.
Okay, bafethu, and that's it for video namhlanje. You see, Umlamuli is definitely up there with Unjendala when it comes to Ama haters. They're like Pirates' biggest haters. Umlamuli is up there. He's up there with them because this guy it's a guy and he Pirates and everything. Fair. But into engayisho bafethu ukuthi lento le ukuthi teams like aboSikhukhune bathathe ama-game bawise ema-ground nafana no Old Peter Mokaba when next door you have stadium mfethu esi-grand like New Peter Mokaba. I understand it, bra. You know, we have teams like abo Richards Bay, abafuna ukudlala eMhlathuze, oPrincess Makoko, while we have here Moses Mabhida, AKZN. I don't understand it, mfethu. I don't understand because ama-ground lawa mfethu like even ama-player mfethu lapha mfethu ayalimala. Every time Betty Paris may like Lama ground, I'm putting that to because someone might get injured. Or we might even lose the game because once one Amakora they can defend the whole game because all you need to go the goal and just defend because once you score, the other team won't be able to crack you because the ground you just become compact, they can't penetrate us, they can't do anything. So I'll never understand why teams prefer going to Amagrand after no Mhlathuze, Princess Makoko. I mean, come on, Bafit. We have big stadiums in South Africa, Bafit, that you can use. So that's all I can say about the stadium. So I'm not really like I need time stadium. And another thing, Masrela Fit, I was happy because Masrela Fit to really game time and right to game time, but there's still something missing again. There's still something missing again. And I felt like when my pastor can pick they were cut off. Like I keep pass again you bonnie figure emtini other than le pass hot then hot went on to score la kulela. But most of the time they play to be actually baller, look for the true pass, block at the same time. But I feel like the more iki adlala, the more organic confidence a little bit smazier from TDC because namhlanje nami I wasn't impressed by Umchita Mfethu. And yeah. And Lama rumors that are going around with Pyramids are looking to sign Tito. I hope that's not true because we can't go on a season long with Omaslela and Utiong is only our tenses now with him. We need to Tito our faith. We need to Patrick Maswangani and the same thing what Maglemala and Wakala Kwabokuni King Esnanagang Omasindi named Tajel. Omasindi Nemtajela, and I know what you guys never liked him and Nemtajela, but Nangelu would and Sibon's Kalasaki Naman. Because last season, what Magalimala 600 Luguti Pelly season, we have to play Ulukuzan, Uslep. And let's not go composed enough. Iliki say when I says too because we're not composed enough. La pestu be started la song kepra. And I believe the words if we still have to Masin at the time, iliki be so we're comfortable because Masin is to play low level of comfort in la pestu like he's comfortable. We box to box. Sometimes we are I miss Masin name that in our starting 11, and that's all I can say about Fit. And thank you for subscribing and commenting and doing all the thing about Fit. The channel is cool and slowly but surely we are getting there. Ngiyabonga bafethu.